Fall. Good boy. Hi. Okay, wait. I'm sitting at my vanity. I'm about to do my makeup. Hold on. I know myself. I need to take off this jacket. There will be makeup all over it. Good morning. Hi. I'm about to do my hair and my makeup real quick. I have a full day today. So I'm like, let me just pick up my camera and vlog my day. Okay, we got a little body, a little something. That's not too bad. I think this side might be better. So let's see. Oh yeah, you can already tell. But yeah, we just have a day of running errands. My friend, she graduated with her master's degree over the weekend, so she's having a party tonight. And so I need to go get her a present for that. Because one thing about me, if we're celebrating you, if it's like a housewarming, a birthday dinner, graduation party, girl, even jury duty, I am not showing up to your event empty-handed. You will always get a gift, present, something out of me, okay? We're losing recipes. Why are you showing up at your friend's engagement party, birthday party, with no gift in your hand? That is so tacky to me. But yeah, so we're back on the tube, trying to be consistent. I think what's gonna work for me is to just post mini vlogs. Like, I don't need to do full weekly vlogs. First of all, my life's not that entertaining. To be able to pick up a camera 7 days in a row. So I think I'm just gonna film when I'm doing something interesting. Just here and there. I'm just gonna pick up the camera and just film mini little vlogs, like 10-15 minute videos throughout the week, you know? I feel like that makes more sense for me. Plus I only got 600 subscribers. Like, nobody's looking for me to put on a production. Or are you? I hope you're not. But yeah, I figured out what's gonna work for me. Just doing daily mini vlogs like I've been doing on TikTok. Wait, speaking of TikTok, y'all, I've been going crazy on TikTok, which is crazy that I actually put effort into TikTok when it's literally about to get banned next month. At the beginning of November, I had 420 TikTok followers. Look how many I have right now. 3,100 TikTok followers. What? I've been going crazy on TikTok. Like, one of my videos got 2 million views, and at the end of that video, I had just so happened to put my YouTube channel at the end of the video, and 200 of you guys from TikTok came to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So now we're at 600 something people on YouTube. And so I'm like, girl, if that's not a sign, you need to get your ass on YouTube. So we're back. One thing about me is I just love to make content. If you hang out with me, you know me in real life, I always got the camera on deck. I always got the phone. I'm recording something, always. I remember even like in high school, on my Facebook, I have a photo album because we went on a senior class trip. I have a photo album of like 300 photos because I was taking pictures of everything. And social media was not a thing when I was in high school. Not to age myself, but it really wasn't. But even back then, I was taking photos of everything. And I even got a digital camera one year for Christmas when I was like 17. Girl, there's so much footage on that freaking digital camera. Like, it's just always been in me. I've always loved to take pictures, post content. Like, this is my thing. I love it. So why am I not on YouTube? It makes no sense. I need to be posting on YouTube. I feel like I've said enough, so let me just finish getting ready, and then we will head out to probably go Target, Ross, TJ Maxx, all those things, so that I can find a gift for my Secret Santa and for my friend's graduation party today. Are you seeing this? Is this not? Are you seeing? It feels so adorable. Are you kidding me right now? I look so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, such a pretty day. Look at our tree. Better find a mop that's sticky in this. One thing about me, my car gonna be on E. My car is gonna be on E, okay? Ooh. Okay, we're in the Target parking lot right now, and I have my Secret Santa, what my Secret Santa wrote down that they want for Christmas. So, you can't go wrong with the gift cards. Give people money, give people gift cards so that they can get what they really want, you know? Okay, cool. Both of my Secret Santa's gifts can be gotten at Target. So let's go in. I feel like I want to make like a self-care package for her. Get some flowers. Oh, that smells good. Oh, I'm gonna do this body wash too. Coconut and cocoa butter. Got that. Gonna get her some wine, got some flowers, and I might buy her a sweater, like an oversized sweater. Let's go look at the sweaters real quick. What about like slippers and a robe? That could be cute. Can't go wrong with a good robe, right? These feel so cheap. And how much are they? $40, $30. They feel so cheap though. One thing about vlogging in public, people will stare at you. They will absolutely stare. Because I mean, let's be honest, you do kind of look ridiculous. You're talking to yourself, you're holding up a contraption in the middle of the store. Like, you do look crazy. You just have to ignore them and pretend like they're not, because they will stare. When have you ever known me to shy away from people looking at me? They're not gonna say nothing to you. And if they do say something to you, it's probably gonna be because they want to vlog as well. They're gonna ask you what kind of camera you have, or do you have a YouTube channel? Like, the people that are gonna say something to you are the people that want to be doing the same thing you're doing. So you just have to pull your camera out and say fuck it, literally. Okay. Are you a YouTuber? Yes. Hi. Told you. What did I just tell you? The only people that are gonna stop you are the people that are like intrigued. One thing about me, I'm gonna always forget where I parked at. All right, Target finished. It is 11:42. I think I'm going to go to Ross and Dollar Tree maybe to get like a gift bag or in a card. And then I'm gonna go home, make me something to eat. And next time I pick up the camera will be when I'm getting dressed and ready to go to her graduation party. So I'll see y'all in a couple hours. Hey vlog, we're back. It's currently 5:54 and we're about to get ready. So first things first, I'm gonna do my hair. Oh wait, let me show you guys my outfit. So these super cute baggy jeans with like the rhinestones on them, freaking adorable. They're from Forever 21. I actually got it on a day that they were doing a deal, like buy one pair, get one pair of jeans free. What the yes, sign me up, absolutely. But yeah, I'm wearing these baggy jeans, silver jewelry, my silver bag, and my silver heels. And then the shirt that I'm wearing, I just did a quick wash on it, so it's just in the dryer right now. So yeah, we gotta do hair, makeup, outfit, put together her gift, and then we'll be out of here. I need to comb it out. So let's do that. Like, are you seeing this? It's giving, oh, you can see a little bit of glue, but other than that, you cannot even see the lace. Love that for me. This is my Revlon curling iron. It's a 1.5 inch barrel. Then I have the Tresemme Extra Hold hairspray. Focusing mainly on like this area the most. And then the back will just, that's just between the back of my head and God. Anytime I'm getting ready, I have to listen to my favorite playlist, which is the High Maintenance playlist and Apple Music. Oh, so good. If you like Megan Thee Stallion, Lotto, Glorilla, Mona Leo, Victoria Monet, Nicki Minaj, Sexy Red, Summer Walker, Stunner Girl, like if that's your vibe when you're getting ready, like trying to feel like a baddie, definitely the High Maintenance playlist on Apple Music. Let's see, I'm gonna shuffle. Okay, this is the makeup so far. I think it looks pretty good. It'll all come together once I actually do my hair. Right now I look like Princess freaking Leia. But while my lashes are drying, we're gonna put together her gift. And pro tip, I always spray my gift bags with perfume. Victoria's Secret, just spray the bag a little bit. Yeah, it's cute, right? Please say yes.
Where you going?
You look crazy.
How I look?
You look crazy. What was on your eyes?
You look really pretty, baby. Where you going? Where you going?
Out.
Out where?
Can you stop pinching my back fat?
Where you going out?
Ouch!
You going to run to town with your little girls? Get free drinks? Cause y'all pretty.
Purdy?
Say me.
Because y'all purdy? You are so country. Here, hold the camera. How I look?
Beautiful.
I'm going to my friend's graduation party. She got her master's.
Oh. What friend is this?
Anisha.
Amisha. That's the girl you went to concert with?
Yeah.
What's up, chat? Okay, you wearing the metallic today? The silver? I hate when you wear silver.
What?
I hate when you wear silver. I like when you wear gold.
Okay, well that's freaking rude. How do we go from I'm pretty to I hate what you wear?
I didn't say I hate what you wear. I said I don't like when you wear silver.
You literally said
because
I hate when you wear.
Look at this. This your ancestors. The Nubian by Julius. She wore gold. The
like
white
silver.
man.
I look good
The white man.
I look good in silver.
The white man
Babe!
made you fall for the silver.
Move, I look good in silver. Stop. My whole engagement ring is silver. Why isn't that gold?
That's not silver, that's white gold.
Okay.
The fuck? Get it right.
Goodbye.
Oh, let me get some Aquaphor.
You literally have your own. You act like a badass kid. Okay.
Had that.
Oh my god.
What's up, Bubba?
Oh my gosh. Okay, both of y'all leave. Scram. Thank you so much for your time. I love you.
Let's go get some.
Bye. They just never leave me alone. Both of them. Anyways, it's a mess at my vanity, but I want to show you guys my full outfit. Like, look how cute. Isn't this not adorable with the cutout?
I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
Waist kind of snatched right now, period. But yeah, everything looks good. I'm happy with how it turned out. Her present's back there. Now I just need to put on my shoes, put on some perfume, and we out. Educated AF, I know that's right.